Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have seen level 1 problems of A to B and B to A relationships of percentage problems. In this video, we are going to solve level 2 types of problem. So without further ado, let's get started, students. So students, these are the different types of problems, not different types, but a difficulty level is one step ahead. Okay. So after elaborating this question, you will be definitely able to solve this. Okay. So if price of a sugar be raised by 10%, how much percent a householder must reduce his consumption of sugar so as not to increase his expenditure? Student, now look at me. In the last video, we have been directly given problems statement as A is less than B and B is more than A. But students, the level 2 types of problems are more elaborative. They have more explanation, the more detailed version. Okay, so to confuse students. Okay, so whenever in the question it is given as raised by, increased by, more than, greater than, larger than. Okay, so we have to consider it as a positive. Okay, that is, it is more than in our formula. And whenever it is given that it falls by, it is less than, it is smaller than, and then let's say it decreased by, then we have to consider minus, okay, in our formula. So as in the problem, it is saying that if a price of a sugar be raised by 10%, how much consumption should we reduce? That means we have to decrease so that our budget, okay, घर का जो budget है वो सेम ही रहेगा. Okay, sugar का price increase हुआ है, so how much our budget should decrease? Not budget, how much our consumption of sugar should decrease so that our budget will not get affected. Simple, students, just like last video. What was the formula? We have to consider how much it is increasing. So 10%. So how we write 10%? 10 by 100. Okay, sir. Can we write in a simplified version? Yes, sir, we can write it. Where is my mouse? Yep. So we can also write it as 1 by 10. Okay, students. In the problem, it is given that it is raised by 10%. That means it is plus. Okay, it is plus. So 10 plus 1 is 11. That means we have to decrease our consumption of sugar by 1 by 11. Okay, but in question it is given that how much percentage, okay, how much percentage we should decrease. So for percentage we have to multiply it by how much? 100. Great. So simple, students. Now 11 divide 100 divided by 11. Tell me how much it is. 11 nines are 9. Sorry, 11 nines are 99. 100 minus 99 is our 1. So again calculating, it will give 0, and then again it will, we have to calculate as 11 9. So it will be, you should calculate like this. So it will be something 9.09%. Simple. Now we will move to next question. Now student, try to solve this problem. Just give a try. Whatever you have understood, what I have told you, just apply that technique and see if you can solve this. 99% of you will be able to solve this type of problems, but some of students may get stuck while calculating the percentages. See that the calculation of percentage will improve by practicing. Okay, so you have to practice it. I have also practiced it, that's why I'm calculating without touching pen. If you reduce your calculation by a calculator and just by your own techniques of simplification, then definitely in exam you will show your, what we say, energy, not energy, what we say, whatever it is, you understood, I know. Okay, so I hope you have solved this question. So those who are not able to solve the simple question, I will solve for them. So price of wheat falls by 60%. Falls means minus. How do you write 60%? So 60 divided by 100. Okay, sir. Sir, can I write this in the simpler version? Yes, sir, you can write. Sir, we can write it is as 4 by 25. Yes, sir. I can write it as 4 by 25. Sir, as it is falls by 4 by 25, that means I have to write it as a negative. Okay. So 25 minus 4 is how much, sir? 21. That means I have to increase my consumption by 4 by 21 in terms of fraction. But sir, they have asked me to calculate the percentage, how much percentage I should increase. Okay, so it will be, we should multiply it by 100. Okay, sir. So this will become 400 divided by 21. Okay, sir. Sir, now now you have to simplify this calculation by yourself. Now how I see to this problem, so what is closest value of multiplication of 21? Sir, I can see that 21 multiplied by 20 is our 420. 21 multiplied by 20 is my 420. So that means if I reduce my 20 value as 1 less, that means 21 multiplied by 19, I will definitely get 21 multiplied by 19 as 400. So without touching pen, I had solved this problem. Okay. So that means we have to increase our consumption by 20%. We are done, students. Okay. So this was the level 2 types of problems. Now for homework, I will give one problem. Let's say my salary increased by 20%. Okay, it is increased. That means I got promotion. Okay, so how much investment should I do? Okay, such that my overall budget does not change. Okay, investment means I have to invest something where, and if I invest somewhere, then definitely it will not include my budget. Budget is something my daily routine life, our food, our electricity bill. Okay, so how much investment should I do such that my overall budget does not change? So in the comment section, tell me how much investment should I do. So I hope you have understood, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share with your friends, and do subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.